Hello my friends, in this short video I wanted to share you my thoughts about the factory exhaust manifolds which I removed from my car. You know that I replaced them with MKB ones. How the factory exhaust manifold uh, is made. Here the factory wants to point out two main aspects. Mercedes respects comfort and safety, and the performance is third or fourth, not first or second. Here you can see that the manifold has built-in exhaust pipe inside, and actually the diameter of the element which meets to the downpipe is the diameter of this pipe installed inside of the manifold. Now I will measure it and share you the diameter of it. Here we are, and let's measure. So the point where exhaust manifold meets downpipe is 4 centimeters, 40 millimeters. Very funny and very poor performance, guys. I did not expect from Mercedes a result like this. And if we measure the diameter of each cylinder, the result will be almost the same. Here we are. Less than 4 centimeters, about 3 and 5, between 3 and 5 and 4 centimeters. Even the more poor result compared to the previous tube diameter, which was 4 centimeters. These exhaust manifolds are enough heavy, guys, and once again I want to mention that they are made very ugly and poorly. V8 cars don't deserve manifolds like this. Even AMG M113 engines are equipped with exactly the same exhaust manifolds. Here you can see once again how small is the diameter of the tube which must carry out all the exhaust gases from 4 cylinders from your engine. And last aspect I want to mention here is what is the material used in this exhaust manifolds. Is this steel? Is this stainless steel? Or something other? I thought that here we will meet something special steel, but nothing special, guys. These are made from regular steel, even not the stainless steel. They are the regular steel. Every element of this exhaust manifold is made from the steel. Here I have my magnet in my garage, and now I will show you what I am talking about in this situation. Here we are. This is my magnet, and it loves the exhaust manifolds very much. So this is the regular steel. Once again, I did not expect it from the Mercedes. Here is the stainless steel tube, guys, and it don't meet the magnet. Here we can see, but the exhaust manifold loves the magnet. So very poor style, guys. very poor material which is used here, and very poor performance. These are two main aspects which why I replaced them with factory with MKB upgraded headers, and I am very happy with the final result. So if you are still thinking upgrade or not original exhaust manifolds, go and do this mode. This will gain your HP, also make your engine breathe better, and also give you more better fuel consumption in overall. So hope you like this video. It was enough informational. If you like the stuff here, please thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and catch you in the next episodes. Goodbye.